Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. I'm going to do an unboxing on this key storage box. So here it looks like we've got this key. We're going to undo this. This is how it comes in the box. Okay, so in that little box were two keys. We also have a USB-C cable. Looks like on this side there's a piece of foam. Yeah, just lift this little handle up and that piece of foam will come out. And now that goes down. Okay, so we are going to have to remove these two screws. That's where you put the key. I guess you could just. So this, either one of these keys you're going to put in, and then it pops open. All right, let's see everything. Ooh, a bunch of key tags. Looks like some bolts, some rails, and some numbers. Yeah, it looks like these are the mounting bolts that go through those four holes right there. A little hard to see, but there is a battery compartment right there. So you remove it, takes 4 AAA batteries. Okay, let's put the batteries in. These are AAA batteries, 4 of them. Just kind of alternate them with the spring being the negative. Now, it'll only go one way because there's this little notch right here. That's going to go down. And there's like a little tray for it to slide in. If you have it wrong, it's just not going to go in. So put it like this. That end's going to go out. Slide it in. Rotate it up. Push that down. Okay, the program button now, it's ready to be programmed for the code and that. It's right here. You can press it with your finger, but it's inside. Okay, we're going to press and hold that until the keypad lights up. Okay, release it. Now you're going to swipe your finger across it 4 times. Okay, it's memorized it. Okay, so I didn't close it. I wanted to try it first. You can just press your finger on there and you hear a buzzing sound. That means it's working. So now when I close it, it's locked. Put my finger on, pops it open, and it does turn that little LED light on in there when you use your code or fingerprint. Okay, so you've got 2 sizes of these. The smaller one is for the door. The bigger one goes inside. They're very easy. Just put those little ears in first, kind of angle it, then let it rest down. Same with the door. You're going to put these ears in first. Then rest down, then the bottom one catches like that. Same with the inside. Yeah, that one's crooked. There, it looks right. It comes with these tags. You can just throw the tag on there with the key. All right, let's go over some measurements. So it looks like inside about 13 inches by about 10. Depth-wise, you're looking at about 3, and then you can put a bunch on the door too. You know, overall it stands right at 15 3/8, 11 1/2, and thickness-wise, about 5. And then you got the back. Okay, so this cable, this USB-C, is just to power it. If, say, the batteries go dead, and you don't have the key, but you know your code and your fingerprint, then you're going to want to, so if those batteries go dead, but you still have your fingerprint memorized, this is going to be used to power it up. So plug that in there. You'll plug this into an external charger. Then you can power this display up so that you can unlock it. It doesn't charge these batteries, but it just powers this up in case that battery goes bad. And you don't have this key. But if you have this key, you can just open it and then reach and then change out those batteries. And then yeah, if we do the wrong code, but let's do the fingerprint. Yep, that's nice. And then even if you can always unlock it with this. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.